The next station is Farringdon. This is a Circle Line train via Liverpool Street and Tower Hill.
When a man's tired of London, he's tired of life. Samuel Johnson was totally right. And what he didn't say is in this great city, you should always do something you love. Our university is literally in the heart of London. This is my Shoreditch. This is my Islington. This is our London. And those jokers that say they're from these ends. But we know where it's at. We got tall buildings with sweet views and nice walls. We're talking totally immersive, interactive and collaborative technology. Just another reason to do something you love. So they say size isn't everything. But having one of the biggest teaching super labs in Europe is definitely worth noting. Sweet. Now it's easy to be teacher's pet when you're doing something you love. I mean, what other university has artists in residence for their students? So if you're going to do something you love at London Met.